By now, you'll be aware of the Caravan Industry Association of Australia initiative to offer holiday park customers the chance to win $1 million. In partnership with RMS, CIAA has provided some helpful tools to communicate this opportunity to your customers. Keep watching to learn how to set up a triggered message that will be sent to guests automatically prior to arriving at your park. Firstly, keep an eye out for an email from CIAA. It will contain a passage of text, which is the source code you need for the message. Select all of this text and copy. Now in RMS, in the side menu, go to Form Letters. If you've never used form letters before or you've forgotten where they are, simply type form letters in the search field. Click on the add symbol to create a blank form letter. Enter a distinctive description that you'll remember later. Enter the subject line provided in the CIAA email. Now in the top toolbar, click on the source code button and paste in the text you copied from the email. When that's done, click the source code button again to reveal the message. All the merge fields have been entered for you, so things like the guest's name and the property name will be auto-populated by RMS. Save the message, make this selection, and then go to Triggered Correspondence. This is the step that sets up the automatic sending of the message. Click the Add symbol and give this trigger a name and choose Next. Select this radio button and enter 4 days before arrival. Choose Email and from the drop-down list select the message we created from just now. Date filters are very important, so enter them carefully. Eligible bookings are made and stayed between the 1st of October 2023 and February 29, 2024. In sending to, choose Primary Guest Only. And that's all you need to do. Save the trigger and make the selection when prompted. From now on, this $1 million competition email will go to all guests 4 days before arrival. If you take a reservation directly or accept an online reservation where the arrival date is within 4 days, you can always send the message manually using the correspondence section in the reservation or from the in-out movement screen. Good luck, and I hope it's one of your guests that gets the chance to win the $1 million.